Oh, wait. Wait daw guys, kasi may sasakyan. Baby Paris. She's so good. What are you playing?
The PJ Masks toy.
The PJ Masks toy. Oh.
Yeah, really.
What?
Don't worry, Ma. I just have some more here.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna worry then. Kaluoy ba daning bataa, oh? Standing position siya magkaoy. Are you okay na? Aww. Yung new car natin ay nasa Melbourne na at ready for pickup na siya this coming Saturday. What are you eating?
Apple. Apple.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple. Say good afternoon, everyone.
Your afternoon.
Because it's Snow White. Now, come here, sana. Baby, shoes. Shows the outfit, B. Share the outfit. Good morning. Good afternoon, Adi. Because it's already 1 o'clock. Show me. Turn around. Wow, so beautiful. Look at me. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Ayan. So today is Monday. Pero walang work si mami nyo ngayon because it's Queen's birthday here in Melbourne. And public holiday. Kaya long weekend tayo, which I'm very happy about. Baby Paris and I are going outside. Kami lang dalawa kasi si Daddy Mike ay may work today. So even the public holiday, sa work ni Daddy Mike, kailangan pa rin nilang magtrabaho. Kaya it's just me and Baby Paris. And kanina pa to siya naghihintay sa akin, guys. Kaya nababagot na siya. Sabi niya, let's go, Mommy. Don't cry, ano? Don't cry na. Shush, tita. Your hair being tita. Oh, shush. Tignan yung ginawa ko sa kanyang buhok, guys.
Mama,
Where are we going? Tell tita and tita where we're going.
shopping.
Shopping? Shopping. Shopping day ka na?
I want a PJ Masks toy.
What would you like?
PJ Masks toy.
PJ Mask toy?
Yeah.
Kahit ano na lang tagang nalalaman ng batang ito, guys, dahil sa TV. YouTube pa more. Anyways, yung plano ko ngayon.
Mama, I want a red toy. Eyelet.
With?
Eyelet.
Eyelet?
Eyelet.
Eyelet?
No, red one.
The red one? Okay, alright. Maghilang tayo yun. You wanna go? Okay, ayan. Daddy, is that Daddy Mike na? Si Daddy Mike pala, pumunta ng ano. No, it's not na. Pumunta ng ano, ang tawag dito, nag-lunch break na siya. So, ayan. Close na natin ating door. Come here, let's go. Where's our car? Where's our car?
And then just going to get.
I wanna go there too, guys, kasi nagugutom na ako. I want to have something to eat. Knock, knock? Uy, Lola. Say hi, Lola. Kumakatok si Lola sa pinto. Say hi. Wave. Wave, Josh. Ay, Josh, flankies, flankies. Flankies, flankies pa sila. Flankies, flankies. So, yan yung ating pa-outfit today. Nag-jacket tayo.
Mama, come on.
Ayan, ang ating tiyan. Anak, check the mailbox quickly. Anything?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Babe, what's that red one? Oh, that's a go. Hindi nakapark yung car namin dyan kagabi kasi merong nakapark. Dun siya sa kabila. Oh, wait. Wait daw guys kasi may sasakyan. Baby Paris. She's so good. Okay. She's fine. Oh, she's parking there. Are you excited?
Yeah. What? He's going away.
You're going away.
Yeah, but it's funny.
So, ayan guys. Kakarating lang namin dito sa... Kakarating lang namin sa shops. Are you excited? Where would you like to go now?
The toy shop.
Toy shop?
Yay, 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 yay.
Tell Tita and Tito what would you like to buy?
Pajama toy on a chocolate toy.
What is it?
Chocolate toy.
Shopkin stores?
Chocolate.
Shopkin, okay. And how many toys are we getting?
2.
2 only, yeah? Because
That's too much toys.
there's too much toys already. Correct? Good girl. Sabi niya, only 2 toys, mommy. Kasi, ano daw, too much toys na daw. Char lang na. Charmos, ginamos. So, I'm very hungry too. I want to get something to eat. But, hanapan ko muna to ng laruan para hindi siya iiyak. Come on, go up here. Para pag kumain ako, hindi ito paiyak-iyak. Hala. This is not working. Go, run. Show mommy. Woo! Good job. Meron pa sila paigin ito. Hindi naman nag-work. You can do it, honey. Good job. Ayan na mga laruan dyan, oh. Boom. Good girl.
Who is it?
You tired?
Mama.
Yeah?
Look, Mama.
Let's go in there. Go have a look. Let's see if they have the one that you like.
I like this room, Mama. I really like it.
You like it?
Yeah, really.
Okay, keep going. Let's go have a look. Is that the one?
Is
that the one?
another one?
Ito yung hinahanap niyo,
What's
guys.
that, Mama?
PJ masks.
No, it's not this.
Have a look.
That.
See? Oh, that's what you said, outlet. Oh my God, siya lang yung nakakaalam, guys. Palagi niya sinasabi tapos di ko alam. Anak, oh, PJ mask. Sobrang kawawa namin, guys. Walang maupuan. Tapos nag-order ako ng lunch ko dyan. Yung fish head noodle soup. Ang ating baby girl, walang maupuan, oh. Naka-close lahat. Meron namang iba, pero may mga nakaupo. No? Na paano na lang yan, nak? Paano na lang yan, nak? How are we gonna eat? Huh? Wala, sobrang hassle naman ito, guys. Show me your... Kwambi, what are you playing? What are you playing? Persico, what are you playing?
The PG Masks toy.
The PJ Masks toy. Oh. You like it?
Yeah, really.
What?
So very much. Just have some more here.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna worry then if you say so. Tingnan nyo, oh. Let's go, nak. Maybe our food is ready na, nak, pa. What is it? Ayan na yung in-order ko, guys. Oh, fish head, noodle soup, rice.
There's something blue inside.
What is it? Pero walang upuan, guys.
Why can you help me to get this out? These blue ones?
Sure, Huggy. Okay.
Who's going to do it? No, it's just mine. I'm a green one.
Green one.
Oh, who is this, Mama?
Gecko.
Yeah.
Paano na yan ngayon? Bukain, Dani. Ay, wala yung kuranan. Kaluoy ba daning bataa, oh? Standing position siya magkaon. Are you okay na? Ay, wala may bangko, guys. Gani-gani, oh, closed. Amo lang ipatungan. Gigutom pa rin si Indaya. Yummy. Careful, ha. I'm not full. Good job. Ang akin, hindi ko pa makain-kain, oh. Have a look. Oh, tingnan niyo ang pinabili niya, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang arte ng batang ito. Ay, anak, may mama will do it. Tingnan niyo, oh. It's $14 para sa ring. But she really wants ring. You want ring, nak?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite, babe?
I want the shell.
The shell one? Where are you gonna put it?
Yeah.
Which finger?
This.
This, which one?
This.
This one? Hala, nagigigiliwatan, nak.
Mama, the lot. See, this finger, this finger.
Yeah, can you count how many rings you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8? 2, 4, 6. 6 na. Uy, dami ko mga okay, let's take it. Happy na siya, oh. Nakakain na ng kanyang lollipop. Yan yung pinakamatagal na niyang hinahanap, guys. Hindi namin makita sa ibang shop. Nak, come here, nak. Yum? Uy.
What color? What color?
What color is your tongue? It's blue.
And it's the door like tongue pink.
You want a pink tongue? But you're eating blue, that's why. Check tayo. It's nearly 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakapark ko lang dito sa labas ng bahay. Hindi ako makalabas-labas kasi tingnan nyo sa likuran kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. Oh, nakatulog. Kasi hindi siya nakapag-nap. Kaya, ayun, nakatulog siya on our way home. It's funny kasi just a while ago, kinakausap niya ako, sabi niya sa akin na yung araw daw, napupunta sa mata niya. Naghahanap siya ng sanis. Tapos sabi ko, just close your eyes, naka, wala tayong sanis dito sa sasakyan. Ayan, nakatulog tuloy. Super tired, guys. Grabe. Hindi ko na kaya yung mga ikot-ikot sa shopping center na ganyan. Hindi na talaga. Like, hinihingal na ako. Especially like while walking around. Tapos, ang ating baby silin sa loob ng ating tiyan ay parang nagbubudots. Oh, God. Sometimes like it hurts my belly button na kapag siguro nasisipa niya ang aking, yung belly button ko. Kaya, mabuti naman itong ating baby girl ay hindi masyadong maarte ngayon. Like, hindi siya nagpapabuhat talaga kasi alam niya na pag nagpapabuhat siya sa akin, sinasabi ko na meron akong baby sa loob. Siya, si baby Selena sa tiyan ko, hindi ko na siya mabubuhat. So, the whole time, naglakad siya, which I'm very thankful about. Pero yun nga, kailangan talaga naming hanapin yung laruan na gusto niya. Yung Shopkins na sinasabi niya, hindi namin makita-kita, guys. Kaya, naghanap na lang kami ng alternative. And then, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll just have a look online na lang. I'll just quickly show you kung ano yung napamili ko, guys. Kasi pumunta kami ng TK Maxx. Ayan, habang nandito ako sa loob. Tingnan nyo. Oh, coconut crisps. Ano pa ba itong binili ko? This is tights for Paris. So, 2 pair siya, pink and gray. And naka-sale siya for $7. Ayan. It's winter na. So, she needs that. And then, while I was there, bumili ako nito for baby Celine. Tingnan nyo, super cute. So, 3 pairs ng mittens for $5. Like, neutral lang yung kulay niya. Ayan. Which, yeah. What I like. Tapos ito, pang newborn talaga to siya. So, this is for $6. Dalawang hat. Ayan. Pareha sila nung ng mittens, guys. Pair yun sila. And then, this one is naka-sale. So, pang newborn talaga to. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaliit. Super cute. Flamingo print. Pink. May ribbon dyan sa harap. And from $13, naging $9 na lang siya. So, I got that. And then, ano pa itong binili ko? Ayan, water and then one of these. Tapos, Yung ilong ko ay umarangkada nung nandun kami guys at wala akong tissue. Bumili ako ng maraming facial tissue from Minister. Ayan. So, wala talagang masyadong binili guys kasi yung sa amin lang ay makalabas. Si Baby Paris, kahit ako guys, okay lang naman sa akin na sa loob ako ng bahay all day. Ito pala yung mga rings niya. Super excited siya kasi gusto niya ipakita sa daddy niya. Ayan ang kanyang mga rings. Oh, ang arte na talaga ng ating baby girl guys. Naku. So, since hindi namin makita ang Shopkins na hinahanap niya, this is the alternative. So, face paint tools. Para siyang tattoo na pwede malagay sa mukha. Ayan. So, yan na lang yung binili namin para sa kanya. And now pala, since Daddy Mike is working, hinihintay lang namin na matapos siya. Siguro, if Paris is still sleeping, tawagan ko na lang siya tapos palabas ko na lang. Kasi yung gagawin namin ngayon is, we'll have to wash this car. So, diba, I mentioned to you in our previous videos na yung sasakyan, yung new car natin ay nasa Melbourne na at ready for pickup na siya this coming Saturday. So, yung nangyari kasi guys, when we purchased that car, hindi talaga kami pumunta ng shop. Kasi nga, dun yung nangyari yung lockdown. So, nung tinawagan ni Daddy Mike yung dealership, sinabi nila na yung 4 na paparating, 3 were sold already, tapos 1 na lang yung naiwan. Kaya yung sinabi ni Daddy Mike, okay, we'll take the other one. Kasi nakita na naman namin yun sa ibang shops. Sa ibang dealerships, yung sasakyan. And we also done our research. So, alam na namin kung ano yung mukha and yung mga specs, yung features ng sasakyan. But yung nangyari kasi, we didn't pay in full first. We had to put a deposit para ma-hold yung sasakyan para sa amin. So, nag-deposit lang ng konti. Tapos, we have to pay for the car before we pick it up. Obviously, alam nga naman, pick upin mo, hindi ka pa nagbabayad, diba? So, now, kaya sinasabi ko na lilinisan namin yung sasakyan na to. Kasi nga, we don't need 2 cars. Kasi, many of you already know na Daddy Mike doesn't drive, and ilalagay ko yung link dito sa taas, guys. The reason behind kung bakit hindi nagda-drive si Daddy Mike. Hindi na ako ma-explain dito kasi haba ng kwento natin. Pero make sure if hindi nyo pa alam, check the link na ilalagay ko sa taas para malaman nyo. So, long story short, isang sasakyan lang talaga yung kailangan namin kasi ako lang yung nagda-drive, diba? So, yung gagawin namin dito sa sasakyan na to. So, I got this car year 2012. So, it's been 9 years now I've been driving this car. So, one owner lang talaga ito siya. Ako lang talaga yung owner nito. Kasi when we bought this one, this was brand new. So, ako lang talaga yung nagmamayari ng sasakyan na to. But now that, I've got Daddy Mike, I've got Paris, I've got Baby Celine coming very soon, we needed an upgrade. So, that's why kinailangan namin ng malaking sasakyan. But this one, if you can imagine guys, 9 years old na to siya. So, hindi na talaga siya perfect, diba? Meron na siyang mga, anong tawag dito, nakita nyo before, may dent dito sa driver's side ko. Kasi nga someone nag-reverse tapos he just drove off. So, hindi ko alam kung sino ang gumawa niyan. Anyways, nung nag-check ako kung magkano ang bayad for this, sabi ng panel beater na it will be around 2,500. Kaya, napag-isipan namin ni Daddy Mike na i-trade in to siya kasi pwede naman yung ganun. So, if we go and pay for the new car, we can bring this car as long as it's, presentable and malinis and all. Then, we'll never know. They might, deduct something sa presyo ng bagong sasakyan and they will take this car kasi wala na naman kaming gagawin sa sasakyan na to. But then, yung inaalala namin, because nga, diba, may dent siya dito, and it's just not mint condition anymore. So, baka hindi nila i-take. And, or maybe, I don't know. No one really knows kung ano guys, kung iti-take ba nila, or maybe they will just take $1,000 from the price ng bagong sasakyan and they will take this car. Yeah, who knows? We're going to find out. Iniisip naman namin ni Daddy Mike na kung hindi namin siya iti-trade in, ano yung gagawin namin dito? So, it means that we have to sell it privately. And wala naman sigurong gusto talaga dito na ano yung, alam niyo yung price na medyo mataas-taas kasi nga 'di ba may dent na siya dito, they need to fix it, and then it means that if we sell it privately, then we have to get like a roadworthy certificate which will cost more. Kaya we decided na i-trade in na lang siya if ever okay sa dealership na mag-trade in with this car. But we don't know as yet, guys. Hindi pa namin talaga alam. But for me, sabi ni Daddy Mike po, you have to decide now kung anong gusto mo talaga with the car. So, guys, kung alam nyo, kung malapit lang sana yung Pilipinas, doon na to ba? Kasi maganda pa talaga tong sasakyan na to, guys. But then, you know, Australian standard is very high. And thinking that, you know, there's a dent on the side that nahihirapan namin i-wind down tong window na to because of that dent. Hindi. Kailangan siya ng ano talaga. I feel sad, you know, like, because I've been driving this car for 9 years. Yung mga memories and all. Pero, you know, dumarating talaga yung panahon na kailangan mong mag-let go. So, at the moment, yung gagawin lang namin, yun na nga, is we'll clean it up tonight, and then maybe Wednesday we'll go to the dealership, we'll bring the car, and then tingnan nila kung, I don't know if they will give something for it, and then we'll pay for the car. Regardless, guys, if they're not gonna take this car for a trade-in, we will pay for the full price ng bagong sasakyan. But it would be nice para wala nang hassle na magbenta. It would be nice if they will just take this car. And then Saturday we'll go pick up our car and we'll go take it for a ride. It will be really, really exciting. Sobrang ganda na siguro talaga ng sasakyan na to, guys, sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang malayo eh. What can you do? Hala, naglaway naman yung akong bata dahil diri. Hala, wala ninyo. Tulog na tulog. I'll probably just go.
Funny.
You look funny. Ayan, nagising na, guys. Oh. Pinapalagay niya na yung tattoo niya sa kanyang mukha. I don't know if this can work, but
I can't wait to see you.
What's it time?
not yet. I think so.
Gotta be patient, love.
Patience is a virtue.
The only problem is if she puts this on, well, that's good to know.
Just remove it.
You sure it comes off that easy?
Yeah. There's a thing there to remove.
You know how much screws.
She'll wear it at school.
I touch my eye.
Yeah, the moment of truth. We'll see if that worked. Can you peel it off, Daddy? Paris? Slowly and see if that worked.
Sure. From the side?
Yeah. Ready, Paris? Sana mag-work guys, pero hindi siya ma-disappoint. Hala! Wala!
No, it didn't work.
Oh no!
You gotta do it again.
Only small ones.
You gotta do it like, we're gonna do it like full on wet though.
It's wet!
You gotta do it really wet.
Oh no, we'll do it again?
No.
Do it again.
Wow! This one one works. Tingnan niyo, guys. Baby, show, baby. Wow, so cute.
Wow.
Another one?
You can only do this. Do one on the other cheek.
Yeah, that's right. Because you're going to school tomorrow. Daddy? Wow, it's so beautiful.
Do you want to put it on you?
Do another new one.
Do you want to put it on
I don't want one, honey, because Mama has to go to work tomorrow. Yeah?
Why can I get another sticker for this one?
Okay, and then that's it, okay? We'll just put the other one, and then that's it. Is it okay?
What time is that person coming?
Do you want to come? Okay, Daddy, take her out. She wants to come out. We're here now, guys. We will clean the car. Anong oras na? It's already 6 o'clock. Very dark. Tingnan niyo. Oh, sasakyan na sobrang dumi. And then, merong vacuum dyan para sa loob. Dito kami sa harapan ng McDonald's. Stay there. You have to stay there, anak.
No, Mama. Just one.
Huh? What is that? You're scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. Okay. Start na, Daddy.
Where is it?
Yan, so 10 minutes, Sharo. Wow! Come here, anak. You'll get wet, anak. Stay there.
Cheapy, Mama.
Huh?
I'm not cheapy.
You want a chippy? Nakita ang McDonald's.
I want to play too.
You wanna play? It's close already now because it's nighttime.
I can look
Anak, oh, you're holding your lollipop pa, anak.
Oh,
You
Mama.
have to wait for Daddy. Daddy's cleaning the car. Oh, you don't like lollipop now that you can see McDonald's.
I don't like lollipop, Mama.
Since when?
I don't like it. I just want cheapy, Mama.
We'll have later. We have to wait for Daddy. Time check. It's now 7:30 ng gabi. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kakauwi lang namin from washing the car and have a look at our baby girl. Oh. Show them what you're having, Nakbe. What are you having? What are you having? Hindi nakatingin.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike ay nasa kusina kasi magluluto siya ng yung nilabas niya sa freezer na meat. At sabi ko, guys, I'm going to sit down. I'm going to stretch my feet. I'm gonna watch TV. Finish my vlog and relax kasi I think I've been on my feet for almost all day today, guys. At sobrang, ewan ko, sakit na ng paa ko. Halos, especially yung right leg ko, guys, parang hindi ko na siya anong tawag dito, hindi ko na siya ma-carry ng ganun ba. Sobrang sakit. My goodness. Say hello. Hello, everyone. Nak, baby Celine is saying hi. Ayan. So, yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I-edit natin yung vlog dito. Thank you very much, as always, for watching our vlogs. And, ayun, nalinis na namin yung sasakyan. Hindi pa talaga siya 100%. Daddy Mike will do the cleaning daw inside sa sasakyan bukas. And tomorrow, I'll be working in the office. Yes, back in the office after 2 weeks. Kasi nag-ease na nga yung lockdown namin. So, balik opisina na tayo. And this one will go to school tomorrow.
See, who are you going to play with tomorrow?
Wow, so beautiful. Okay.
Who are you going to play with tomorrow, Paris?
Mary and
Where? Really?
And
I don't know.
you don't know.
Only girls.
I
Girls only?
Yeah,
No boys?
the boys.
Good job.
Hey, that's Olaf.
Who?
The Olaf.
That's not Olaf, it's a pet. Oh, it is Olaf.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's how Frozen from Let It Go.
Can you sing Let It Go, Sabi? I missed your singing Let It Go. Come on.
Oh, snow glowing on mountain.
Hey.
Come on. Come on. Kingdom of isolation. And it looks like
I love Queen.
the wind is howling like it's swirling stormy sky.
How I like me. Hello, try.
Shout out na tayo, guys. Shout out to Jocelyn Pason, Joanne Ambe, Cherry May Ongayo, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Vicky Inot, Digna Villavicencio, Karen Joyce Ubas, Belindy Jesus, Jose Dileo. Oh, hello, moms. Pa-shout out. Jen Dilion, hello! I know, kasama to sila ni Jane Bautista Mercado. Hello, shout out sa inyo dyan. From Thriftpid ka dito. Miss Liberty. Liberty ba yun? Kasi pataka-taka akong litokan, ha? Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Norhaya Dapat, Michi Manalo, Jean Bagsik, Emmeline Himaw, Welma Bilarmino, Danine Gets Around, Fides Piging, Alan Esteves, Rosel Flor, Mercy Narito, Joy Pauline Santos. Hello! Hello, madams! Thank you sa pag-comment. Shout out to Maricar Castañeda, Celine Relota, Marilyn Guerrero, and Joanne Ambe. Ayan, so that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Yes. Yes, it's Olaf. To be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.